Hi, this is Mugdha and today we will learn how to make a pencil topper. So let's get started. So guys, for that we want one yellow color paper, one pencil and one bottle lid. So first we will take this yellow color paper and we will fold it like this. Now we will draw here one circle with this. So now here we have to draw like this. Okay, so now we will cut it. So like this we have to cut it. Okay, so it is ready. Now we will take this pencil, stick it like this. This way. Now inside we will stick them, means we will put the glue, and like this we will stick it. So now we will draw one emoji on it. So our emoji is ready. Like this only we will draw here also. Now we will marker it. So like this only we will do the second side. So here one markering is done. Now I have here dark yellow color. I will do it in the corner to looking very nice. I will give here the shade. So I will do the same thing in the second side, means here. Now I will erase the pencil's mark. Now we will take this thick sellotape and we will stick on this. So like this we will stick it. So now I will cut this side sellotape. So same like this we will do here. We have to take this yellow color paper and we have to cut one strip And this strip, now we have to stick here like this. So now I have here tape. So I will take it here. So guys, our pencil topper is ready. So guys, this is our pencil topper. Do you like it? If you like it, make yours and tell me in the comment section how it made. So till then, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon.